Is it on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Gigi, colorful cat.
Yeah,
Yay.
very good. Gigi's colorful cat. Oh,
gonna be a
who's
fun book.
that? Who's that? It's Gigi.
Magic.
It is. You're right. It is magic. It matches your dress. You need help with this page?
I can get the balloon.
Yeah, that's Gigi's birthday balloon.
But
Okay, let's read it. Come on. Get your magic finger ready.
Get your magic finger.
Get your
Let's
magic
read.
finger. Hurry, hurry, so we can go watch our movie. You want to go watch a movie? Okay. My-
I want to come to Daddy come
Yeah.
to.
Yes, of course.
Daddy come.
Let's read. My.
Daddy come.
Yes, of course Daddy's going to come to you. My
My
name
name
is
Gigi.
Gigi. Very
Yeah.
good. Ready to read this page?
Spooky, spooky.
I know. He's spooky.
Oh.
This.
It's like Snow White, Mama.
Yeah, just like Snow White. Spooky, just like Snow White.
Snow White spiked to the dress.
Oh no, don't go near this tree, Snow White. That's a different story though. Let's finish this
The
story.
eyes.
Oh yeah, spooky eyes. Okay, get your finger ready.
I
Say this.
This
This
is
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 my
my
colorful
colorful spooky spooky.
cat. Silly.
That's a spooky treat, Mama.
It is a spooky trees. But this isn't a spooky cat. This is just a regular cat. It's a colorful cat.
It's just make believe.
Yeah, it is make believe.
That's funny.
Yes, just like Barney. Okay, you ready to read your story? Here it comes. Yeah, get your magic finger ready. Okay, go ahead.
Colorful.
Go ahead. No. Come on, read your book so we can go watch our movie.
Ah, yes.
Okay.
Mommy come too.
Yeah, Mommy's definitely gonna come. But you have to read your storybook, okay? Okay, go. Go ahead, read.
The cat is cat.
Yay.
Very good. Keep going.
I like to like. I'm not hungry.
We don't want you to eat the cat.
Keep going. Keep going. Go.
Please. The witch.
No, this is not the story about the witch. This is about a colorful cat. Let's try again. I
Like Snow White.
like. Keep going right here.
I
Mm-hmm.
like the cat.
Uh-oh, what word is that?
Black cat.
Yeah!
Yay.
Very good! Okay, read the next one.
It's so cute.
It is cute.
The elephant comes. The elephant
Yes! The elephants can come too. If you finish your storybook, I think I need to make these stories a little shorter.
Whoa. Hey.
Okay,
What
read
does the
this
next
to-
page say, Gigi?
Read this to the elephant.
Mama,
Read the story to
Read
your
the
elephant.
story to the elephant. Get your magic finger ready.
so cute.
Yeah, get your magic finger ready.
That's a big truck, Mom, Dad.
It's
Yeah,
a very big trunk.
Aw. Okay, read him the story. Go ahead. Get your finger
The
ready.
truck is so cute.
It is cute. You're right.
It's,
Do you want to go watch a movie with your elephant and mommy and daddy?
yeah.
Okay, then read the story.
The cat is orange.
Very good. No, you can't whisper. We can't hear you. Start again. The elephant can't hear you if you whisper. Okay, try again. Come on. I want to go watch a movie. Go ahead.
I like the orange
Yay! Max is even saying yay. Okay, Max. All right, let's try this page. Come here, Max. Come here. Listen to Gigi. Okay, ready?
Okay, read that page.
Read. Come here, Max.
Mama.
Yeah, that's your mama. Come here,
That's
Max.
my mama.
Come here, Max. Come here.
What does the next page say with that next cat? Gigi, can you read the next page? Use your magic finger.
Okay, get your finger ready. Read it to Max and Mommy and Daddy and the elephant. Go ahead.
Oh, wait, the elephant?
Yeah, go ahead. Up here, up here. You have to start at the top.
No,
Yeah, go ahead.
down here.
After you read this one.
Don't.
Come on. I want to go watch the movie now. Let's hurry, hurry. I think we should just end it now.
I want to go on the lake, Mama.
You have to do this sentence first. Come on. Gigi, are you done?
I'm done. Mama.
Guess what? I think Mommy and Daddy are done too. Do you want to say the end?
Yeah.
Here. Do you want to jump to the last page and read about the purple cat?
Okay.
Okay, just read the last page. And then we'll be all done. Go ahead. She's so free. Okay, go ahead.
You're so cute, Mama.
It's very cute.
That's a big lake, Mama.
Gigi,
Yeah.
read that last
Big
page
legs,
to the
you're right.
elephant, and then we'll be done for now.
Okay, come on.
He's funky, Mama.
Yeah.
That's a big trunk.
Maybe we should make a book about an elephant.
What's that, Mama?
That's his tusk.
Does.
Yeah.
That's a big tusk, Mama.
It's a big tusk, Gigi. You're right. Okay, last page, and then we'll go watch our movie. Go ahead.
The cat is
Purple, yes. You can't whisper. We can't hear you if you whisper. Okay, do the last sentence nice and loud.
I like is
What word is that?
the bubble cat.
Hey! And what does
Yay!
this say?
And
The end.
Yay!
Yay!
And they lived
All right.
happily ever after.
We skipped quite a few pages, but that's okay.
let's come to
Yeah. That's the green cat and the yellow cat,
in a
blue cat, and the red cat.
in a black cat,
And what color is that one?
in a pink cat,
Yeah.
in a purple cat, and an cat,
Is that Gigi's colorful cat?
and a black cat too.
Yeah. The end.
The end.